Hello viewers, I am Kavya. Welcome to another topic which is searched by everyone on my channel Learning Has No Limit. Today we are going to talk about motivation and self-improvement. In our daily life, many people want to become successful, confident and happy, but sometimes we feel confused about how to start or how to improve ourselves. In this video, I will share some simple ideas and thoughts that can help you build a positive mindset and improve your life step by step. Remember, success does not come in one day, but with the right thinking, regular effort and continuous learning, anyone can move closer to their goals. One important thing to understand is that motivation usually starts from our thoughts. If we keep thinking negatively or keep doubting ourselves, it becomes difficult to move forward. But when we start believing that we can learn, improve and achieve better results, our actions also begin to change. Self-improvement is not about becoming perfect in one day. It is about making small improvements every day, learning from mistakes and continuing the journey without giving up. Another important step for self-improvement is developing good habits. Simple habits like waking up early, learning something new every day, reading useful books, improving communication skills and staying focused on goals can slowly change our life. These small habits may look simple, but when we practice them regularly, they create a big difference. Over time, these positive habits help us become more confident, disciplined and ready to face new opportunities in life. Another important part of self-improvement is learning how to manage time properly. Many people say they want success, but they waste a lot of time on things that do not help them grow. When we start planning our day and using our time wisely, we can learn new skills, improve our knowledge and move closer to our goals. Even spending a small amount of time every day on learning something useful can create a big change in the future. Self-improvement also means accepting our mistakes and learning from them. Every successful person has faced failure at some point in life. Instead of feeling discouraged, they use their mistakes as a lesson to become stronger and better. When we understand that failure is a part of learning, we become more confident to try again and keep moving forward. Finally, always remember that growth is a continuous process. No matter how much we learn, there is always something new to discover. That is why the name of this channel is Learning Has No Limit. If we stay curious, keep learning and keep improving ourselves step by step, we can build a better future and achieve the success we truly want in life. Another powerful way to improve ourselves is by surrounding ourselves with positive people and positive information. The people we spend time with and the content we watch or read can influence our thinking. When we stay around people who encourage learning and growth, it becomes easier for us to stay motivated and focused on our goals. It is also important to believe in your own abilities. Many times people stop trying because they feel they are not good enough. But the truth is that every skill can be learned with practice and patience. Confidence grows slowly when we keep trying, keep learning and keep improving ourselves every day. Setting clear goals is another key step in self-improvement. When we know what we want to achieve, it becomes easier to plan our actions. Small goals help us stay focused and motivated. As we achieve these small goals one by one, they slowly lead us toward bigger success in life. At the end, always remember that self-improvement is a journey that continues throughout life. There will be challenges, difficulties and moments when you may feel tired. But if you stay determined, keep learning and never stop believing in yourself, you can achieve great things and build the life you truly dream of. Another helpful habit for self-improvement is continuous learning. Learning does not only happen in schools or colleges. We can learn from books, experiences, conversations and even from our daily challenges. When we keep our mind open to learning, we slowly gain more knowledge and become wiser in making decisions. Staying disciplined is also very important in the journey of growth. Motivation may inspire us for a short time, but discipline helps us stay consistent every day. When we follow a routine, complete our tasks on time and stay focused on our goals, we build strong habits that lead to long-term success. So always remember that every small step matters. Even if progress seems slow, keep moving forward with patience and confidence. One more important aspect of self-improvement is maintaining a positive attitude during difficult times. Life will always have challenges, and sometimes things may not go according to our plans. But when we stay calm and think positively, we are able to find better solutions and keep moving forward instead of giving up. Another useful practice is taking care of both our mental and physical health. A healthy mind and body help us stay energetic and focused. Simple activities like regular exercise, proper sleep, healthy food and spending some quiet time with ourselves can improve our overall well-being and make us more productive. Learning to be patient is also very important. Many people expect quick results, but real growth takes time. When we stay patient and keep working toward our goals, we slowly start seeing positive changes in our life. Patience helps us remain strong even when progress seems slow. Gratitude is another powerful habit that supports self-improvement. When we appreciate the good things in our life, we feel happier and more motivated. Being thankful for what we have also gives us the strength to work for what we want to achieve in the future. It is also helpful to keep reviewing our progress. From time to time, we should look at what we have learned and how much we have improved. This reflection helps us understand our strengths and areas where we still need to grow. Finally, always remind yourself that your journey is unique. Do not compare your progress with others. Focus on your own path, keep learning every day, and keep believing that with effort and determination, you can achieve the success you truly desire. Another important step in self-improvement is improving communication skills. The way we speak, listen and express our ideas plays a big role in our personal and professional life. When we communicate clearly and confidently, people understand us better and we also build stronger relationships. Reading good books and gaining knowledge is also a powerful way to grow. Books give us new ideas, different perspectives, and valuable lessons from successful people. Even reading a few pages every day can slowly expand our thinking and improve our understanding of the world. Learning new skills is also very important in today's changing world. Skills like communication, problem solving, digital knowledge, and creative thinking can help us grow in our career and personal life. When we keep upgrading our skills, we become more confident and ready for new opportunities. Another key habit is staying focused and avoiding unnecessary distractions. Many times our time and energy get wasted on things that do not help us grow. When we learn to focus on important tasks and use our time wisely, we can achieve much better results. Self-improvement also means helping others and sharing knowledge. When we support others and share what we learn, it not only benefits them but also strengthens our own understanding. Helping others creates a positive environment and builds strong connections with people. In the end, always remember that learning and improvement never stop. Every new day brings a new opportunity to grow and become better than yesterday. If you stay curious, keep learning and keep working toward your dreams, success will slowly become a part of your journey. Self-improvement also becomes stronger when we develop self-discipline. Discipline helps us control our actions, follow our plans, and stay committed to our goals. Even when we do not feel motivated, discipline encourages us to continue our work and stay on the right path. Another important quality is self-confidence. When we believe in our abilities, we are more willing to try new things and face challenges. Confidence does not appear suddenly. It grows slowly when we practice, learn from our experiences, and continue moving forward without fear. It is also helpful to learn how to manage stress in our daily life. Sometimes responsibilities, work, and personal challenges can create pressure. Simple practices like deep breathing, taking short breaks, and staying organized can help reduce stress and keep our mind calm. Curiosity is another powerful tool for personal growth. When we remain curious about the world, we keep asking questions and searching for answers. This habit of curiosity helps us learn faster and discover new ideas that can improve our thinking and creativity. Another useful habit is keeping a positive daily routine. When we start a day with clear plans and positive thoughts, it becomes easier to stay productive and focused. A good routine helps us maintain balance between work, learning, and personal life. We should also remember the importance of persistence. Sometimes success may take longer than we expect. But when we keep trying and refuse to give up, we build strength and determination that eventually lead us toward our goals. So always keep reminding yourself that improvement is possible for everyone. With positive thinking, patience, and continuous effort, we can grow step by step and create a meaningful and successful life. Another important part of self-improvement is learning how to stay focused on our priorities. In today's world, there are many distractions that can easily take away our time and attention. When we clearly understand what is important for our future, we can use our time and energy more wisely. Building a habit of learning every day also makes a big difference in life. Even if we learn one small thing each day, it adds to our knowledge over time. This continuous learning slowly improves our skills and helps us become more capable in different areas of life. It is also very important to stay optimistic about the future. Sometimes situations may become difficult, but a hopeful mindset helps us keep moving forward. When we believe that better opportunities are ahead, we stay motivated to work harder and improve ourselves. Another valuable habit is listening carefully to others and learning from their experiences. Every person has a different journey and different lessons to share. By listening and observing, we can gain useful knowledge that helps us avoid mistakes and make better decisions. Taking responsibility for our actions is also a key step in personal growth. When we accept our mistakes and learn from them, we become stronger and wiser. Responsibility teaches us maturity and helps us build trust with the people around us. Practicing kindness and respect in our daily life also improves our personality. When we treat others with respect and understanding, we create positive relationships and a supportive environment that helps everyone grow together. So viewers, always remember that self-improvement is a lifelong journey. Small positive changes, continuous learning, and a strong mindset can slowly transform our life. Keep believing in yourself, keep improving step by step, and never stop learning. Thank you for watching, and remember, on this channel learning has no limit, because knowledge and growth never truly end.